Hey Cardano holders, so this time all crypto market is completely fails down, and what's the reason, what's the price predictions, and definitely my friend, what's the opinion. So we talk about this especially in this video, but kindly Cardano holder remember to in this time all crypto market is very badly fails down, so don't see my brother the short fail. Absolutely, I hope in upcoming time the price will be increased now, because you can see here just in only the last 3 months average, so 6.62% my friend the price is increased now in last 3 months. So it's mean my brothers too, from last 3 months this coin is completely in the profit. But if we check out the last 24-hour chart my brothers, so this coin is completely falls down. And remember to in the start of month every cryptocurrency is very badly falls down, so there is a one reason my friends, so they will falls down. Let's predicate this coin my brothers, can video or what's going on in July my friends, they will give you a profit or not, can they will move upward or not. But kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. Thank you so much my brother. This time if you can see my brother, Cardano moving very good now. You know why? Because this time especially Dogecoin my friend, XRP and VChain, these type currencies my friend especially very badly falls down. So therefore I think Cardano is one of the very good coin my friends, because they cannot falls down very fastly. After this fail, as you can see my friends, they will again wake up, but again my friends they will fails down. So don't see my friends this short fail. I hope after jump they fails down, and after a fails they take a jump. So this is my friend, absolutely everybody my friend know this too, they will moving in this style. So one thing more my friend, I will give you a very good news my friend, especially I know my brothers too after this week they will start moving upward, but absolutely my friend after mid of this month I hope my friends they will broke all record, they will moving massive jumps my friend. So just in all you need to my friend hold and wait for a good time. I hope the price will be increasing if you hold it. So hold it Cardano holder, why you are selling? Please, if you have my friend, if you have any plan my brothers to sell in those days, so I think you are completely wrong, because in the especially 1 week there is a chance so they will pay us down, and after my friend 1 week they will moving up for now. So let's see my brother Cardano holder, my opinion is to please hold, and what's your opinion? Please tell me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my brother, my all viewers, my subscriber. Please like this video, and if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel. See you next time.